The sanctity of the wives of Mujahids is like the sanctity of their mothers. For those who sit at home, anyone who stays behind looking after the family of a Mujahid and betrays his trust will be made to stand on the day of judgment before the Mujahid, who will take away from his meritorious deeds whatever he likes. So, what do you think? Al Hadith Muslim Sharif, book number 20, Hadith number 4673.